आरती जी यहाँ,
आती जी सामने। पीछे हो जाना, पीछे बोलो भाई। सेंटर देखो, सेंटर में
आरती सोलो
मैडम आगे आगे
हाँ वही वही, ठीक है ठीक है, फेस पे
और आगे थोड़ा लाइट पड़ा पीछे, बस 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 बस।
मैम लुक यार
भाई ऊपर लाइट देखो यार,
मैम लेफ्ट साइड फिर और क्या बताऊं
बहुत आगे बुला लिया यार।
अरे ये यार कुछ भी बुला लेता है ये।
मैम यहाँ पे
आरती जी रुक यार, वेट आरती जी, वेट 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 वेट।
मैम लेफ्ट साइड आइए ना थोड़ा मैम
आरती जी यहाँ,
आती जी सेंटर।
थैंक यू थोड़ा मुस्कुराइए यार, थैंक यू। दीपक सर को बुला लो ना सर, थोड़ा बढ़िया सर।
ये बस ना यार
ये बस बहुत आगे।
थोड़ा ना
सचिन सर यहाँ।
सर
वेट 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 सर, वेट सर समो, वेट सर, वेट सर।
सर इकडे
सर सामने।
सर इकडे समोर बघा
सर फर्स्ट मार्क सर,
सर फर्स्ट मार्क थोड़ा राइट लेफ्ट साइड थैंक यू सर
पीछे लेना, पॉइंट का पीछे रखा। बस बस, वाइट कर रहा हूँ ना।
सर
सर सेंटर है, इकडे इकडे सर।
सेंटरला सर लेफ्ट साइड सेकंड सर सेंटर
वेट
सर इधर सेंटर सर ये सर राइट साइड थैंक यू
थैंक यू सो मच।
अजय सर ये अजय सर
वेट 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 वेट।
अजय सर इकडं
अजय सर या
सर सेंटर,
सर सेंटर सर थोड़ा राइट
सिंगम यहाँ पे सर, लेफ्ट में लीजिए सर, सर फर्स्ट मार्क सर,
सर होल्ड
फर्स्ट मार्क सेंटर में सर, सेंटर में सर, राइट में
सजय सर सेंटर। या यस यस सर,
थैंक यू सर।
अजय सर या।
सिंगम यहाँ पे
थैंक यू सर।
सर फर्स्ट मार्क सर,
ऋतिक सर आजा, मिलने दो।
साथ में
साथ में सर, साथ में। अजय सर या।
वाह वाह वाह,
ऋतिक सर सामने।
सर सामने सामने
थोड़ा सा आगे सर, थोड़ा सा आगे,
थोड़ा सा आगे ही ना
सर सोलो सोलो
सर, थोड़ा सा आगे ही ना, लाइट का लाइट सर। ऋतिक सर थोड़ा सा आगे ही ना, लाइट आ रहा है फेस पे। या परफेक्ट परफेक्ट।
सर सर
क्रिश यहाँ
ऋतिक सर समोर इकडे समोर
अक्षय सर यहाँ
अक्षय सर यहाँ पे।
खिलाड़ी यहाँ पे सेंटर में
अक्षय सर सामने सामने
अक्षय सर यहाँ साइड
सर आपके सामने
राइट में खिलाड़ी
सर सामने सामने
भाई यहाँ पे, खिलाड़ी भाई
अक्षय सर इकडं
आगे जा।
मौका मिला मैं इसके साथ जुड़ूं, तो बिगनिंग से ही मैं पहला टीम ओनर था जिसको ये पहली टीम मिली थी, और फिर मुझे श्रीनगर की टीम मिली, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट इट हैज़ गॉन सो वेल। आज इतने सारे प्रेस मीडिया वाले सब आए हुए हैं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सभी का, एंड आई होप दिस कीप्स ऑन गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन। ताकि जो बहुत सारे जो इतने टैलेंटेड लोग हैं, बच्चे हैं, उनको मौका मिले जाके आके क्रिकेट खेलने का, पैसे कमाने का, अपना अपना हुनर दिखाने का, एंड दैट इज द होल थिंग. थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन. थैंक यू.
Question.
Hello, Sanjay sir. Congratulations. And this is Kanchan from Doordarshan. I want to ask what really goes behind the thought of getting a celebrity owner also simultaneously. So I believe Hrithik Roshan, of course, that's a big name in itself. How much does it contribute?
So good afternoon to you all. I think Hrithik was an amazing inspiration for us, and Hrithik being a so sporting and the very fitness side and what we believe when we run the company and the kind of enthusiasm we got because of the is for the people, super energy and kind of young crowd under 19 and all the people are playing, that me and Hrithik decided that I think if we go together, we can have amazing combination. And going forward, I think this is the first season for us. And our team is completely on it, and the kind of working we are doing, I think hopefully we'll create an amazing team. And Hrithik is a big, big supporter for us.
Definitely. So how about Surat? What 2 words for the stadium that you are going to? Gali se lekar stadium tak, street to stadium. So how about that, sir?
You are talking about Surat?
Yeah.
So Surat is an amazing city. I think is always better to go to a places where the people don't get that kind of opportunity to see all the celebrity people. I think Surat will be a big, super beginning for everyone. And going forward, kind of Surat kind of city will have a more attraction than the larger city, because in larger city like Bombay, we always get a larger platform to see the IPL and all kind of matches. So I think ISPL in the small city will have a super attraction.
Thank you. Congratulations again, sir.
Thank you so much.
All these values in everyone, and we're going to try our best. See, winning, losing, someone has to win, someone has to lose. Just give it your 100%.
Great. All the best to you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, as an owner, question is, how will you motivate the team this time around season 3? And your thoughts on the ISPL as a platform to own and a platform for talent to really capitalize on?
My approach has always been, right through season 1, that make your name, make your life, like this is your opportunity to make your dream come true. And ISPL gives that platform, and all these guys are super lucky to be a part of this, and they should make the most use of it. I mean, it's a beautiful opportunity for them.
Any questions?
Thank
you, ma'am. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the owner of Tigers of Kolkata, Mr. Saif Ali Khan, and Mrs. Aksha Kamboj.
Yes, good afternoon. Namaskar. Hello.
Any questions?
Yes, I have. Sir, congratulations, Saif sir, first of all, and you look handsome, and ma'am, you look so pretty. So yes, Tigers of Kolkata, many congratulations on that. Season 3 it is, and I really wanted to know how this works, the equation, the dynamics between the Bollywood, Hindi film industry, and of course when we talk about cricket, how does sports and Bollywood are inseparable bond? What do you think of it?
I think you have to ask my mother more than me.
Yes, sir.
But
It runs in the
I think
genes.
cricket and, of course, cricket and movies and Bollywood and entertainment, these are the, many other sports are coming up, and they should come up, and it's fantastic. But somehow cricket and Bollywood has had a connection.
Correct.
But So what is your question on that?
So how does the dynamic work? I mean, it runs
But
like...
that is, I don't know, somehow we are connected to this because we thought ISPL is a lovely, lovely idea.
Yes, sir.
Cricket starts in our country on, everybody's played gully cricket, at least all of us have played. I'm sure all the cricketers in our national team have started playing like that at home.
Yes, sir.
And tennis ball cricket is it's a really good way to learn how to play. And I think we will discover some fantastic young talent. And if tomorrow, like, we discovered a talent that went on to bowl at the Kolkata Knight Riders in the IPL, if we put a spotlight on young people and, it's very exciting to discover that.
Correct.
And I hope that we discover players who can go on to play more serious cricket.
So.
Because there must be so much talent in our country that is not discovered. And this is one way of putting a spotlight on it, right, ma'am?
Lovely. So one last question.
I think Mr. Khan is an amazing, astute businessman, and his interest in the IPL is an incredible thing. What he has done, and I'm sure somewhere everyone is woken up to the possibilities of investment in sports teams as a kind of result. But no, I think this is also just a good idea that came to us, and I wouldn't say it's inspired from that, but I think any cricket business idea would somewhere have to remember that also. No? Yeah, please would you react? I see the connection between Kolkata and Kolkata. No, please.
Yeah.
Would you?
So basically it works because his dad, he's played cricket, as we all know. And his mom's from Calcutta. I mean, what better way to, that's the best city that suits him.
There you go.
Sir, over here.
His dad, the legend, Tiger. Tigers of Kolkata, guys. Math.
Sir, question to you, sir. Sir, your cricket is in your blood.
Yes.
How you look at this gully cricket? Because just now you told about gully cricket. So how you look at gully cricket? Because cricket is again is a religion
I tell you,
in India.
we've had 2 generations of captains of India in my family, and I've seen them play, and it's tennis ball cricket, and it's kind of gully cricket playing, with that ball, and sometimes you put tape on it for swing. And my father would always say, if you want to learn how to catch properly, you should learn how to catch with a tennis ball, because the ball bounces out of your hand if you don't catch it properly and give with it properly. So it's a wonderful training, and it's a great background for all cricket. And I think, like you have street football for example, in one of the cities, in South America, for example, and that's what leads to such a strong national team. So I think gully cricket is one of the reasons why we're so good at cricket, because every single boy grows up playing like that. And girl, every single person.
Sir, you've been in a totally different world itself. So have you played gully cricket anytime?
Yes, of course. We played all kinds of cricket. We played at home, in corridors and things like this. And also in Bombay, when I first moved to Bombay, in Lokhandwala, we would play outside on the road and, interrupt traffic a little bit. But we used to play with all the boys living in the area would join in. And it's a very strong community thing in Bombay growing up, or in Mumbai growing up, sorry. So I have played.
सैफ सर, अभी आपने अपने पिताजी की बात की, तो क्या कोई उनकी ऐसी एडवाइस या थॉट है जो आज भी आपकी ज़िंदगी में काम आती है? अगर मैं क्रिकेट की बात करूं, कोई ऐसी एडवाइस जो आपको उन्होंने दी हो?
ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं अभी,
कोई आप शेयर कर पाएं?
I think one of the things he taught me was make sure you treat everybody equally. That's just the first thing I could think of.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes. I'm a very big fan, but I'm not as big a fan of him as Taimur is.
Sir, one last question. Sir, sorry, Sir, what about your children? Of course, father se leke generation abhi aapke bachon ki. What are your thoughts on it? Is Bollywood taking the lead, or they're going to be in cricket because you have 2 boys again? The other children, Jay and Taimur.
As my co-owner knows, I think our job as parents is to support ma'am, and to try and make, as long as they're happy and they're hardworking, I mean, whatever job that they're lucky enough to get, we try and educate them, try and teach them good values. The most important thing is to be a good human being. And then after that, whatever they like, there's no pressure from us.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. So we'll start from there. Go to the middle. And then to the right. It's fine, no, why so?
चालू नहीं हो रहा है चालू
भाई आगे भाई आगे भाई भाई थोड़ा सा आगे भाई आगे थोड़ा सा सलमान भाई थोड़ा आगे भाई भाई थोड़ा सा आगे आरती जी यहाँ पे आरती जी यहाँ पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे
Check. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us Delhi Superheroes owner, Mr. Salman Khan.
क्या पूछने वाले हो जल्दी पूछ लो
So you can talk about your views on the ISPL and how is it as a platform for young talent to showcase their skills?
I think it's one of the best platforms for young talent. Street to stadium says it all. And since every kid has started playing with a tennis ball, I think that tennis ball should come back into fashion. Long live ISPL. चलते जाए season after season और बढ़ते जाए, grow होते जाए ISPL.
So your first season of ISPL?
मेरे पास तो सिर्फ एक है भाई. मेरी टीम ऑलरेडी मोटिवेटेड है.
सर आप बहुत मशहूर है नए टैलेंट को और नए ओपनिंग देने के लिए, तो क्रिकेट में आप क्या नए चेंजेस करने वाले हैं?
हाँ, तो वैसे जैसे कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में टैलेंट को इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, आई होप यहाँ पर वैसा टैलेंट नहीं इंट्रोड्यूस करूँ, क्योंकि वहाँ पर तो
सर